Well, this will be a short video, my first true video of YouTube. Um, I was just out looking for some trash or some curb alert and whatnot, and I found me one of the cool little gems along with other stuff I found. I'll get to them later on, but this I cannot pass this video up. I found this beautiful Troy bilt. The guy said that it was too old and they just don't want it. So I happened to be there with the trailer and they told me, "You want it?" And I'm like, "Of course." They said, "Well, it might need some work." I'm like, "Okay." So all I really did was, it was a flat on the left tire. The deck was full of leaves and whatnot, so I cleaned all that out with my blower. Got fresh fluids, new oil, new battery, new gas. She got a 14 horsepower twin 2 Briggs. Pretty stout little engine there. I basically just did all that, and look at this. That's right, she runs. Has electric deck height too, which is pretty cool. Just press this switch right here, and as you can see, the deck goes down, and you put it up and the deck goes back up. Pretty amazing. The electric PTO clutch, it works. Well, idiot me is supposed to be on the mower when you do that. Take two on that. Also got to rev it up a little bit. Indicators work. Transmission works. Everything works. It's a pretty nice little machine. Very beautiful. I'm still in shock. Just even found this in the side of the road, and the guy even said that he doesn't even want it. I don't even know if I want to even sell it. But yeah, here's my other ones too. I have so many projects before I even make these videos. Got a Craftsman right here. Guy gave it to me. Say it won't run. All it was is a starter solenoid. This was found on a curb alert on Craigslist. Got a wood chipper. I'll make a video about that. Generator. They're both running. All I needed was the usual carburetor clean, oil change, things like that. This mower, it's going to be a parts mower for a buddy of mine. He has the same exact one. His pull cord broke and he needs a carburetor. I figure I will do that for him instead. And that's about it. Well, this is my first video. Hope you guys like it. And hopefully there'll be more soon. Alright.